A very good experience. The water is very clear, but there are a lot of insects, but they don't bite people. I also caught a lot of shrimps. The ingredients for hot pot are relatively ordinary, but they are all delicious. The instructor is very nice and also gives information about Hualien. They are caring and will take care of us throughout the Chihuahua coach and the Shihan coach introduced us very well. They kept chatting with us to relieve our tension. They also paid attention to our safety at all times and kept using the camera to capture us trying to catch shrimps. At first, we thought it was funny to park on the experience was fun and unique, had a lot of fun catching shrimps. The dinner provided was delicious. Great experience. The team leader quickly found shrimp emoji and demonstrated how to find shrimp and catch shrimp, but we may be inexperienced or the headlights are not bright enough, and we have been bending over to find it and our waist is sore. The team leader will also help us find shrimp emoji. Let us catch another team leader on the shoreside barbecue. This time, due to the weather, the stream was turbid, so we changed the itinerary and experienced the Aboriginal culture. We also wore traditional Amos costumes and experienced barbecue and bamboo rice. It was very interesting. Very unique activity, catching shrimp in the cold stream and breathing fresh air. Very interesting, smiley face emoji. We caught a lot of them, and finally put them back into the stream. It is recommended to bring your own headlights. The headlights they provide are not bright enough and it is difficult to find shrimps. Overall, it is quite fun. It is very convenient to have a shuttle. Shrimp catching is also very fun. When you are tired of playing, look up at the sky, there will be a super beautiful starry sky. After catching the shrimp, the barbecue and the wild vegetable pot are super rich. This is an interesting and unique experience. I enjoyed catching river shrimp. Some things to be aware of though are that the activity is catch and release, so you are not eating what you catch. They drive you back to their location where the hot pot is more a gigantic pot of soup and it's really fun. Although I wasn't very good at finding them at first, the coach would help us find shrimp nests to catch shrimps for us. We had hot pot for 6 people or less, and it was delicious. The food portion is full, and it is also delicious. During the process of catching brook prawns, I will always care about it. It is worth bringing children with me. I really caught mountain prawns. The coaches are very experienced, and the dinner is also delicious. Hugging face emoji, suitable for the whole family to experience together. Including pickup and drop-off allows participants to easily reach the event location. The equipment is also complete. The soup for dinner is delicious, and there are many shrimps. Unfortunately, the experience is not enough to catch many, but the accompanying catching shrimp is very interesting, and there are delicious meals available. I recommend everyone to experience it. It's a fun experience, the stream is very clean, suitable for cool summer, and the prawns are also very sweet. It's a very fun experience, and I learned a more method of catching shrimp, but there are some kankos in the barbecue area. Very fun recommended itinerary after the event. There is barbecue to eat. The chef's food is delicious. The dark water in the evening is cool and there is a dinner with 2 children, foot bubble water at night, outdoor trips, watching the stars, chatting. Activities are hard to take. It is better to arrange the schedule by yourself. Try to take a lazy mother like me. 2 kids. The coach is very professional, the shrimp is very cute, and he runs fast. The children had a great time and never forget.